People, so today guys I'll be trying to flip a $500 account to $5,000 account using this special strategy that I've been showing you guys from time memorial. It's been long I've been preaching about this strategy to you guys, so I just want to trade the live market with gold on this particular trading strategy. I've not done it before, but I'm just trying to flip that $5,000. All right, $500 to $5,000. Okay, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you love to see more videos like this, just comment on the video, okay, for me to continue to upload more videos like this. So now let's go. So right here you can see that when looking at this area, okay, let's look at this particular area right here. All right, so from here we have a market structure shift right here. So as we have a market structure shift, right here, right? So since we have a market structure shift, I'm just going to go ahead and mark that. So that is confirmed. And now we are looking for a breakout block that the market is likely to respect. All right, so in that case, we're just going to use this area right here. Okay, so we have these numerous breakout blocks right here, but if we go to the smaller time frame, we'll be able to mark that out. Okay, so but I've already seen it, but I just don't want to change time frame, so I'm just going to go ahead and mark that out. All right, so let me just mark this out right here. Okay, so we have this breakout block right here. All right, but this is actually not correct. I'll mark it clearly for you guys to see. So now we have an inducement level. All right, so the goal is for the market to actually come back, sweep the liquidity below this area, and then keep pushing to the upside. That happened. All right, that actually would happen. All right, so now what happened is we have this key new level here, which is our new inducement zone, and we have this breakout block right here. All right, so we have this breakout block right here, and we have this new inducement zone. All right, and then we have this break of structure to the upside. So therefore this is a valid setup. All right, it's a valid setup, but with this kind of setup you will need to redefine entries on the smaller time frame. So now that brings us to this particular area where we are right here now. So now you can see how the market tapped into that area of our break block. All right, so what we want to see, the same thing. Okay, we want to see the same thing on the smaller time frame. Okay, we want to be seeing the same thing on the smaller time frame. So right here you can clearly see that there's a market structure shift. All right, there is an inducement level right here. All right, we have this inducement level on the 15 minutes time frame. As you guys can see, we have this inducement level, okay, which is our imbalance, and then we have another break of structure right there. Okay, so that is already established. Okay, let me just go ahead and mark this. We have a market structure shift, which is that one. So right here, I'm waiting for the market to actually come back to this demand zone right here. So upon confirmation, all right, upon confirmation from the 15 minutes time frame, guys, I started putting my orders. I'm going to show you guys that right now. All right, I just funded my account with a $500. All right, as you guys can see, and the goal of this account is this money is for me to flip it to about $5,000. all right, so right now I just saw a trade on gold, and it looks so good. Okay, it looks so nice, so perfect. Okay, and everything aligns very well. So now let me show you guys what I'm actually seeing on gold. Okay, so you guys can clearly see the previous 1 hour close. You're seeing it here. You guys can see that 4 hours close. So now we have a pullback on the 30 minutes to some key levels. Okay, to some key level. And now let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. So from the 15 minutes time frame, we have a confirmation. So right now I'm just gonna be going in now with 0.5. Let's see, I want to enter like probably like 20 of the 0.5. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 15 16 17 18 19 20. Yeah, so now you guys can clearly see we have our position in. Let's see what is actually going to happen. I'll update you guys much more later. Okay, hopefully if we hit here, that's 288 times 20, yeah, 20 of those positions. Let's see, hopefully it survives. See you guys much later. So hello guys, so right now you can see that we are running at about a $700 profit. So right now what we want to do is we want to scale in some more positions. Okay, so I want to just scale in some more positions. I'll be careful how many positions I add. So now we are good to go so that we get to our $5,000 fast. All right, so we want to get to that $5,000 fast. All right, so let's just wait and see what is gonna happen. I'll update you guys much more later. All right, so those are the number of positions we have, and everything is running fine and good. So I'll update you guys much more later. I don't like to hold and just keep looking at it. All right, it's time consuming and it's more hectic, so we are leveraging on the word profit. Okay, so to make more money. All right, leveraging on the profit to make more money. So let's just see what's gonna happen. I've already told you guys why we are actually taking this trade, but I'll explain more when we go back to our trading view. When we go to the trading view app, I'm going to be explaining more, but for now let's just allow this play out. All right, so too massive, fam. This is too massive. This is crazy. So right now we are actually running at 1,000 plus, so remaining a few dollars to go, so remaining about 3,600 to go. So I think I should add more positions. Yeah, so let me just increase the rigs. Yeah, 0.2. Yep, I'm just gonna add some more positions of that. Yeah, so it's an unlimited leverage account, in case you want to know. So yeah, so let's see what is gonna happen. Okay, so soon we get to that 5k. Let me just add some more positions. Okay, so I think that is enough. If we can just get with all those positions, fam, if we just can get up to here, yeah, we are actually done. All right, so with all those, we are done, fam. So now let's wait patiently and see with all these positions, if we can get to somewhere here, we're actually done. We are done. You don't need too many positions, you don't need to hold it long term. So we just want good trade and keep on scaling in, all right, to maximize the trade potential. We're gonna make money and hit our target. Okay, so the goal is actually to hit the target. All right, so we might have a little bit of drawdown, but that's okay. Those positions are actually very heavy, but anyway, it's gonna hold because we have those first entries, the second and the third. It's gonna hold. Okay, so anyway, let's wait and see. All right, if I knew, I would have gone heavy on the second set of positions, but anyway, let's just see what's going. So fam, I just had to close some of those positions. They were too heavy. If the drawdown is actually too much, it's gonna blow. So rather than losing everything, I had to close some of those positions, and then I had to close some of these to actually balance the account up to close to the $500 range. So now we're gonna hold. Even if we to have a deep drawdown, guys, we are not gonna blow. Okay, we're not gonna blow the account. So right now we're just gonna stick to the rules and just allow the trade play out. All right, so since right now we're having just 10 of those and 10 of those, if one of those should give me a 300 and something times 10, that's about 3,500. So I'm just calculating, I'm a mathematician. So right now let's just wait and see what is going to happen, fam. This is crazy, it's just flying, fam. Right now you can see that the other positions are in profit. If I was just stubborn a bit, I think we should be running in more profit by now. So but anyway, the goal still remains there if I'm able to target there. So with each of these positions, should be like 63. So if it gets there, about that should be like 5k or so. That's about 3,000, all of these positions here. So because they're about 10 or 11 in number, so that's that. All right, so we'll just see how the whole thing plays out. The whole thing plays out. All right, so let's just keep waiting for the market to play out. Guys, now you can clearly see the chart. The goal of this trade is for me to take a $500 to about $5,000 with just this simple trading strategy. Okay, so we had our confirmation, we had our reason for actually entering, and I'm actually suspecting gold to keep pushing to the upside. So after that, but my goal is just to get it around there and I'm out. That is about 2,700 pips. Okay, so that is my goal, that's my target, and I don't want anything more than that. So that's why I'm actually leveraging on it and then trying to add some more positions as the trade progresses, fam. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, so stay with me, fam. You can clearly see that we are running at the 3.5, so just many 1,500 to go, 1,300. So it's almost there. Do you think it's possible to actually hit a $5,000 fam? So right here you can clearly see my screen, my phone screen on the left. You can clearly see that. So just trying to flip a $500 to 5,000. Minus 700 to go. We are almost there, fam. We're almost there, fam. We're almost there. We're almost there. Guys, since we're almost there, let me just get ready to close at any point in time now. I'll be closing. So, but the market is very volatile. It's always fluctuating. Okay, but we still sticking to the plan. All right, so we're almost there. We are at 4,000 plus now. So let's just stick to the plan. Hopefully we get there soon in time. 4,300. It's just about a matter of few pips. All right, so let me just get ready to close. So I'll just be using the bulk operation to close all the positions. So we're almost there. As soon as we clock 5,000, I'll be closing everything. All right, so 4,700. Some few pips to go, and we are there for 9. This is close. So, but anyway, we'll just relax so that we don't close anything below our expectation. It's not being greedy though. The goal is to flip to that because you guys have actually been asking and demanding or requesting for this. So that's why we have to take this chance when we saw a very good setup like this. So let's just stay patient and wait until we clock there. So in case we have any significant pullback, I might want to actually add some positions based on what I'm actually seeing. But we have any pullback. So we have any pullback. Let's just see what is actually going to happen. Let's just see and continue to wait patiently. So let me just wait at the bulk operation so that in case it just gets to the $5,000, I close. All right. This is really challenging for 800, 200 to go. All right, let's just wait. Let's wait and see what happens, fam. I'm actually feeling the temptation of closing because everything is like at 4,300, so that it should be that we made 4,006 profits. So let's see for 700. Yeah, let's see. I just want it to be at 500 or so. Then I know that I made good returns on this. So let's see if it pulls back more. I might add positions, but I'm actually considering breaking even now. Okay, so I would consider breaking even, so I don't get to lose everything. You understand? So let's see what happens, man. All right, hopefully it goes to our target. We're still gonna go back to our target, so let's just hope for the best. All right, so right now I'm just gonna break even here. All right, just gonna have my break even at that area. All right, worst come to the worst, I'm gonna take something out. So let me just add some 0.5 lots on this. All right, now let me just wait. I know that temptation, let me just wait. Discipline is key, you know what I'm saying. So now let me go in. Yeah, what happened? It's not entering. Yeah, okay, we are in now. Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen from almost 4,008 to about 3,005. So let's see what's gonna happen. Hopefully, yeah. Wow, this guy is crazy. All right, so I'm gonna hit 5,000. And even more than 5,000 as I'm seeing it, because this market is strongly bullish. I think I'm even up to 5,000 now. Even so, by the time it gets back to this high here, yeah, I think it should be up 5,000 plus. Yeah. So let's just see what is gonna happen, fam. Let's just see what's gonna happen. All right. So patience is just the key thing here. All right, just keep your emotions in check. All right, let's be patient, fam. Oh, this guy is crazy. So, but I know we're gonna hit it. So, I'm looking at the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So I know we're gonna hit that $5,000 target. All right. So I know definitely we're gonna hit it. All right. So the 5 minutes just closed now. All right, expecting more momentum to the upside from the other candle. 5 minutes just closed. Sorry, the 3 minutes just closed, not the 5 minutes. All right, I'm expecting some more bullish momentum. All right, so whatever happens is just the 500 we started with. We just have a goal, but I think at this point we're just being a little bit greedy, but it's still okay, fam. It's all part of the business. All right, so let's just see what's gonna happen. Let's just see what's gonna happen, fam. I just wanted to push to the upside. If I did not close those other positions, like from the other side here, I think by now we should have hit our target. So let's just see what's gonna happen. All right, yeah, keep pushing, man. Go, brother. All right. So let me look at the 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes looks good. Yeah, I think I'll just give it a break, and just come back. So hopefully by the time we come back to it, it must have, smashed our target. I don't actually like to look at the charts too much like this. It makes me a little bit of, over anxious. So I prefer to just keep the phone screen away. You understand? That way I'm to be able to be out, not just involving myself and my emotions. I just like to stay out of it, so that by the time I come, I'll be able to make an informed trading decision, But hopefully we're just going to get there now. We're just going to get there. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. All right. Wow. All right. $6,300. That is massive, fam. That is massive. So this is it. We have been able to hit the $6,000 from. I was actually expecting a 5,000, but we made a $6,000. Isn't that amazing, fam? So follow me for more and more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe,